All right, man. Good morning. Good morning. Welcome to the Daily Money Markets. You are actually with me, Che Yusuf. It's another week in terms of the market analysis. We are about to come about with a new talk in terms of the cryptocurrency. I want to concentrate about cryptocurrency this week because of how the cryptocurrency has been evolved. I mean, we've seen a lot of things about the cryptocurrency. So I want to give a little bit of education in terms of cryptocurrency and how we can take advantage, as well as Donald Trump, how a presidential for Donald Trump is going to affect the cryptocurrency in terms of the growth or in terms of the decline. So yes, you are with me, Che Yusuf. My name is Che Yusuf. It's a daily money market. It's another day in terms of checking with the market as well as the cryptocurrency. Keep tuning in. All right. So just quickly to share in terms of how the market is looking. It's very important to look in terms of how the market is looking before we actually, have a conversation about the cryptocurrency or as well as Bitcoin. We are looking at the UK 100. They call it FTSE 100. It's a combination of 100 companies or more than 100 companies that are listed in the United Kingdom Stock Exchange. We saw it from actually on the 5th, which is today, yesterday, having a little bit of bullish movement. In fact, it's a huge bullish movement. All the way pushes to 8,679 at the moment. If we go to a bigger time frame, you can see it reaches the highest where it was on the 30th January. On the 30th of Jan, it was sitting at 8,693. So now back again at that same position, which is wonderful. In terms of anticipation, when the market is like this, we're anticipating a little bit of a reversal. But again, today it's a Bank of England. They are actually releasing the interest rate. The anticipation is about the cut of 25%. 2.5%, which is 25 basis points. So we are expecting to see if they're going to cut with a 2.5% there. Once they actually cut, or if they put the interest rate on a pause, we are anticipating UK 100 to drop a little bit, at least to 8,590. Or 8,560 there when it comes to UK 100, which is FTSE 100. In terms of indices like Nasdaq and US 30, S&P 500, we saw it from last week after Trump pushes the tariff to certain countries. The stock itself was not actually accepting the Trump's speech. That is why we saw the declining a little bit of S&P 500, US 30, NAS 100 dropping down, jumping all the way to the lower price of, for example, 20,966 in terms of NAS 100. But in the week, beginning of the week, we saw, in fact, by the end of the last week on Friday, that's where we saw the coming up of these instruments trying to recover the gap until it pushes to this week, whereby Trump again imposes the tariff for Chinese. Chinese again respond in terms of the tariff that they want to impose to United States. So it's a trade war there that already has begun, and that's where we see the indices like NAS 100, and it pushes the price up. Again, even if right now when it comes to Asian market, they are growing. Nikkei with 61%, COPSA with 1.10% in terms of the growth. Again, in terms of the DAX and the FTSE 100, we already said this is 0.61% growth. DAX is sitting at 0.37% growth. So we're anticipating to push the price a little bit up to 21,835, and then once it get there, because of not much about the market this week, let's move this one here. Check this one to this position. So highly possible it pushes to here and come back and hit to this position, but I think the market will close this week at a higher position, preparing next week to see what again is going to come up in terms of the trade war. So same as S&P 500, if you may look at it, sitting again, S&P 500 at least has reached it. The highly possible we're anticipating, or is just short a little bit to get there. Sitting at 44,995, we want it to get to 45,100 mark, somewhere around there. So that's where we're anticipating. S&P 500, again, if you look at it in a bigger chart, same thing, anticipating to get to 6,100 as we said, but now it's sitting at 6,080. So a couple of pips for this instrument to start pushing up to get to the level where the market is gonna be. All right. So as we said we want to talk about the cryptocurrencies, and there's a couple of things that I can say in terms of cryptocurrency. One of the companies that I realized that it gives a cryptocurrency in a very very affordable and then with a different range. It's called CoinX, right? And I'm gonna try maybe to share the screen so that maybe you can see what CoinX offers in terms of the cryptocurrencies, and we're gonna try to talk about them. If CoinX, you can actually open up an account. It's very easy to open up an account. What actually give me very interest is this ranking of the cryptocurrencies that you can find on Coinbase, on CoinX. Every day there's a changes of ranking of the crypto, and you can actually see what type of a cryptocurrency you want to buy at a specific time, or you want to put money for that and hold that cryptocurrency. There's a mega Trump, which is cryptocurrency still on a minus 1.62%, but this is one of the cryptos that we're expecting to grow. In a period of Trump presidential. In a White House. So all these cryptos, if you look at it, look at Baby Doge. These are one of the cryptos that I just introduced recently, coming from the Doji coin, and produces the Baby Doge. Very very cheap if you look at it in terms of the price range at the market. Let me see. 29 0 point, look, it's less than $1. All these less than $1. This is $200. That's actually much more expensive. $98, which is $100. $2 for something cents on this cryptocurrency. So there's a varieties, including last week I actually saw also Melania coin, which is Donald Trump's wife. He launches the coin before the inauguration of the Donald Trump election, and which is really really interesting. Look at it, you can see Shiba coin as well. You can click on it and see where the Shiba coin is actually going. See, to actually see how Shiba is performing, the price at the moment, the growth for this instrument. This is Shiba. This is Schengen coin. Shiba versus United States dollar. If we click on it, it might give us maybe a chart. Right, so this is a chart of Shiba. It actually shows that it's actually growing. You can see here's the anticipation there. It might grow to this level, and if you are in, you can even just buy a coin. Imagine if even if you don't have money, you can put 200 rand every month, or wherever you get the money, 200 bucks. By the end of 6 months, once these coins they start growing, your money also it's growing. So that's very very interesting about the cryptocurrencies and about the CoinX. Different coins with a very very affordable price. When it comes in terms of trading itself, you can trade by P2P trading, buy and sell crypto pair to pair. So you can buy it, hold it, once it grow, sell it to someone, or you can do the third part trading, which is buy and sell cryptocurrencies through the institution, which is through the market, where you're going to be able to trade it itself. So I'm going to put a link on the description so that whenever you are interested with just to check it out, CoinX, you can check it out on the CoinX, and it's very very interesting because of these coins are affordable for you to actually trade, or to actually buy and hold. And the reason why we're saying it's time that you can buy and hold these cryptocurrencies is because of Donald Trump was in a cabinet, and look at the members that Donald Trump has attracted to be part of his cabinet again, or to be part of his friendship, like Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, all the guys that I believe in cryptos, they are part of Donald Trump cabinet. So I think this will help, and I encourage people to put a little bit, just some funds in the cryptocurrencies, so that you can be able to take advantage when these cryptocurrencies are growing. All right, man. Thank you very much for actually, watching the video and for tuning in. And again, please subscribe and share with other guys. There are always a lot of videos that are coming through this channel, the Daily Money Market, and we just wanted to jump in and talk about the cryptocurrencies and see which platform that you can get the cryptocurrency, or buy and hold the cryptocurrencies. So thank you. I appreciate it for watching the video. My name is Che Yusuf. Thanks a lot. Thank you. Bye.